In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Morningstar controller firmware using an easy tutorial. This guide will help you make sure your controller is operating at its best potential by ensuring it has the latest firmware update. First things first, you'll want to check which model of the Morningstar controller you have, as well as the current firmware version it's running. You can find this information on the controller's label. Alternatively, if you have the MSView software installed, it can assist you in identifying the firmware version. Once you have this information, head over to the Morningstar website to see if a newer firmware version is available for your controller model. Next, download the necessary files. You'll want to navigate to the Firmware and Software Downloads section on Morningstar's website. Here, you'll download the latest firmware file, which will usually be a .hex or .bin file, depending on your specific model. Additionally, make sure to download msload, which is Morningstar's firmware update utility. If MSView supports your controller, you might use that instead. With the files downloaded, let's get your PC ready for the update. It's necessary to have a Windows PC, as the tools we'll be using are Windows-based. To connect your controller to the PC, you'll need an RS-232 serial cable. If your PC doesn't have a COM port, a USB to RS-232 adapter will work just fine. For models like the TriStar MPPT, an Ethernet connection might be an option as well. Before diving into the update itself, it's a wise step to back up your controller's existing settings. This step is optional, but highly recommended. MSView can help save your controller's settings to a file, making it easier for you to restore everything should anything reset during the update process. When you're ready to run the update, open up msload or the firmware tool in MSView. From here, select the correct COM port or network connection for communication. Browse to find and load the firmware file you previously downloaded. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the update. Keep in mind, the controller might reboot during this process, so it's crucial that you do not disconnect power or any cables until everything has completed. Once the update finishes, you should restart your controller. This will ensure everything has updated correctly. You can again use MSView or check the display, if your model is equipped with one, to verify that the new firmware version is indeed installed. Finally, if the update reset any of your settings, utilize the backup file you created earlier to restore your configuration using MSView. And there you have it. Your Morningstar controller should now be running smoothly with its latest firmware. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below. Happy updating!